Nick Silverstein here, back to you with another guide. In this guide, I will show you how to install macOS Monterey on an E6430 or E60x30, any of the models listed here. I'm sorry, it's a written guide again, but it works. You know, let me know if you have any problems. The only weird thing about these 60 X30s is you have to do this post-install step. Make sure you do the post-install step. It's very important to get graphics working, and it's very important that you don't select more than what is selected when you choose this model. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like the video if you liked it. It tells YouTube to recommend it to other people. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. More content like this coming up. Please donate if you can. It really helps me out. Without your donations, these videos would not be possible. Please comment down below if it worked for you, and let me know what you would like to see in the future. Alright, have a nice day. Bye.